Hola clase, buenos dias. I hope you're having a good Wednesday so far. I wanted to make this video of our instructions for class today, so you can come back to this video and make sure that you check off all the things on our list to do. The first thing we're going to do today is a digital textbook activity. So your first link in our classwork section says digital textbook activity with the date. And if you click on it, you'll see a list of directions for today. But in order to get to the activity in the textbook, we know that we have to go to our textbook link. Log in for Spanish Digital Textbook. Click on this, log into the textbook. Hopefully you have your information saved by now. And we know to go up to our star sheet up at the top where your assignments are listed. And I'm just doing period 3 as an example. You could do the calendar or the list view, whichever you prefer, or if you don't have one, that's fine. So you click on today's activity, go to assignment, and it's just a few sentences that we're going to be reviewing the vocab that we've been working on. So please be sure to read the directions carefully. You're going to translate these phrases. Do the best you can with proper grammar, with accents and punctuation. And you're just going to fill in these 15 phrases. And when you're done, save and submit. Remember, this isn't like Google that it automatically saves. So you have to save your own work and submit it to get credit. Then the next thing we're going to do is, hoy es miércoles, entonces tenemos un video para de la música. So we're going to scroll down to our Música Miércoles section, and today's the 5th Música Miércoles. So you're going to click on this video, watch the Senor Wooly video, and just enjoy the music. If you have any questions, you can email me or leave a comment in the classroom, and just make sure you're staying on top of your work and use your vocabulary sheet to help you with the activity if you need. So have a great day and hasta mañana.